You don't run from animals. Well, you do, but you don't. Dang, she almost fell over the kid. Did you get that?
No, I wish I could have.
Jeez.
What was she doing?
I think he just got tangled up in there.
These feathers are pretty.
It's hot. I'm gonna order some fries. Fries, come on.